that little tail back there?
Okay.
Oh, that's a fish. I know, it's not swimming away. It's not as good as the fish God made, but it's still pretty good, I think.
My head is like this.
Now, who wants this fish?
I do.
Okay, and who wants the bunny?
I do.
Do you?
Yeah. I got fish, Daddy.
All right.
No. Daddy used to look like this.
Come here, B. Mr. Eckbert's making fish.
That's that Lightyear guy, right? To infinity and beyond.
I don't think
Buzz
I
Lightyear,
wanna
that's his
be-
name. Doesn't he say, to infinity and beyond?
Claire, 'cause you said you wanted
What does he say when he flies? When he takes
Come and
off?
sit in my lap. Come here.
Doesn't Buzz Lightyear put his arm in there and go,
Now you're sitting on my
to
lap. There
infinity
you go.
and
Happy.
beyond?
I do that again.
To infinity and beyond.
Watched the new Buzz Lightyear, and then he put his arms out like this
Yeah?
when we watched the new Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, that's the new one on Toy Story 3?
Yeah.
I haven't seen
And
that
then
yet. Is it good?
He gets his wings on.
He does?
And
Because it's got a laser beam, and Woody says, that's a red flashlight.
when those naughty toys
Somebody
come,
did, I don't know, one of those. That's
and
my
when
favorite.
Lotso comes,
Naughty toys, really?
yeah.
Yeah?
Nice toy.
What? What
I
is it?
think it says nice toy.
A nice toy.
For me.
Yeah. I will make one for you. I will make. You know what I'm going to make for you? I'm going to make a bird.
Yeah, a bird.
Okay, good. I'm glad that's what you
I
wanted.
got